Some Christian Nibiru theorists have the idea of wormwood, which is mentioned several times in the Old Testament of the Bible, but also mentioned in the New Testament, but only once, in the book of Revelations, Revelation 8:10. Many people consider this particular idea to be symbolic, whereas many of the Nibiru theorists take it to be literal, as a literal great star, and try and say that Nibiru, or Planet X, is in fact wormwood, and indeed vice versa. Many of the ideas out there regarding a brown dwarf star within or near our solar system are very often connected to articles relating to wormwood, or are in conjunction in the same article. You see, many people talking about this kind of stuff add many different theories together to form the same sort of theory. By mixing together different ideas which sound fairly similar, they can seem to make a connection which really isn't there. The Pioneer anomaly. In the 1980s, there was some suggestion that there could be a planet beyond Pluto. It was said it could be the thing having effect upon the outer solar system. However, the evidence was not forthcoming, the proof did not come about, the theory was dismissed by the majority of science within that field, astronomy. Some people have suggested that there still could be another planet out there. Indeed, as I have mentioned, there have been a number of other planets discovered. These other planets, dwarf planets, are about the size of Pluto or smaller, most of which are smaller than Pluto. And some people try and say that those planets, those objects, dwarf planets, are in fact evidence of Nibiru, when there's no proof whatsoever of a Nibiru-like object, a Planet X, or anything of a large size which could be having an effect upon the inner solar system, or come into the inner solar system as time goes on. The sci-fi author, con man, scam artist, the founder of Scientology, L. Ron Hubbard, proposed as part of his religious cosmology a galactic confederacy, which consisted of 26 stars and 76 planets, including the Earth, which was known as Tegeac. One planet in Scientology doctrine is also known as Heliotrobus. Naturally, these ideas are simply science fiction, which has been written into a form of religion, a form of scam. It simply fleshes out the mythology of Scientology. Scam artist, conman, and religious founder of Mormonism, Joseph Smith, claimed to reveal knowledge of a number of extrasolar objects through his examination of ancient religious documents. Most notably was Kolob, a star or planet nearest to the throne of God. Well, if nothing else, Joseph Smith at least had a strong imagination. There are many legends throughout human history relating to gods, the planets, and alien life. They were based upon the lack of understanding of early civilization. How else could they explain these points of light and shooting stars and other things? Surely they must be gods, or must be something else. Explanations if by magic. Pure magical thinking. No sense of reason. No sampled fact. Simply belief. The modern conspiracy theorist looks back upon these legends and myths as if they are factual ideas. They take the could-bes of the early civilizations, weave them together to create a truth. But it's not a truth based upon fact, but based upon belief, where you can turn and twist and reorganize and reassemble an idea to appear to be something it is not.